Hey everybody, this is Moe Arnaiz, co-founder and CEO of Weeldi. Super stoked today to take you through this release. This has really been incubated since the moment we launched the company a few years ago, but the development project itself has been about 18 months, spearheaded resiliently by our head of engineering, Charles Andre Richard. Typically, as CEO, I don't like 18-month development cycles, but I'll tell you this one is well worth it. It is a game changer with how automations are recorded on websites. There's nothing like it out there. And end game for the customer, what it does is make it as easy as you can make it to allow an operations person to build an automation without any coding, any scripting, any understanding complex RPA tools required. Basically, what we've done with this particular release, and this is coming in early May, is take the recording experience and move it entirely to the cloud. And I know people may think, well, doesn't Wildy run their automations in the cloud today? And the answer is yes, we have since the moment we launched the company. That's what enables us to scale so well, allows our customers to run tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of automations on a monthly basis. But this is different. This is how the automation is recorded. And by moving that to the cloud, what that does for the customer is enable us to help folks understand exactly what they're doing as they're recording their automation at the moment that they're recording it and give them those feedback loops as they go through the process. If you take a look here at the top, you have these slides that are basically letting the user know each step that they've clicked on and exactly what they've done. They have the ability, just like a video editing board, except this is a website, to go through and edit any step that they need to edit, whether it's deleting a step, whether it's going in and it's adding a new step at that particular point, inserting some low code, taking a look at the event details if they want, and possibly changing how a scoring profile works. So moving past the default Wildy algorithm and maybe using something different like by position, by text, etc. So it enables a user that doesn't know how to code to automate the tedious work that they do. And anybody that understands Wildy knows that one of our key objectives and missions is to allow operations folks to build the automations themselves to automate the tedious work that they do on a regular basis. Everything that's recorded here is run against a use case, and that helps that user understand if they've completed the right steps that they need to complete when they build their automation. One of the biggest challenges to solve automating is not only the tools, but basically helping coach and train users on how to think through building an automation in a way that will scale. Today, with use cases, our users will now have that. So they have the ability to select a use case, download a file, get text on screen, pay a bill, perform a transaction. And based off of that use case, they'll see here exactly what they've completed and what they've not completed. So they understand if their automation is complete, so that when they publish it and decide to run hundreds or thousands of jobs against that automation on a regular basis, they know how well it will work. And in the event that it doesn't work, they can also go in and edit any step. If a web page adds a new click on a particular page or a new page, instead of having to record the entire automation from the beginning, they can now go ahead and they can isolate that particular area on the website. So by clicking, they can go in and they can add an additional step right in that area. So huge time saver, huge for simplifying, and ultimately helps round out our product in a way that from the moment we launched the company, we've had the vision to get to from a recording standpoint. We're super excited about this. And what I'm going to do over the next couple of weeks or few weeks is dive in each week and share some more specific details about the functionality in this new release. I appreciate everybody for your time. Again, super excited. This is a game changer, and we can't wait to see how the market responds. Thanks, everybody, for your time.